Logistic robots are autonomous drones used in warehouses and storage facilities to move goods around. They can be used in farms or retail stores. Logistic robots handle various tasks within warehouses and distribution centers, streamlining operations. They can pick and pack items for orders, reducing reliance on manual labor. Automated guided vehicles are mobile robots that follow predefined paths on the floor to move things around. They can be used to transport pallets, totes, or individual items. Robotic arms can be used to pick and sort items from bins or conveyor belts or assembly lines. They can be used to place items into storage or packaging. Logistic robots can work without getting tired. They are very precise in their movements. The cost savings from increased efficiency and reduced errors can outweigh the initial investment in robots. Robots can handle hazardous materials or work in areas unsuitable for humans, minimizing workplace accidents and injuries. Robots can assist with loading and unloading trucks or other vehicles.